Hi, my name is Gene Leeser and I'm the inventor of the best latch. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to mount your latch. The best latch will accommodate a gate to post spacing, that is the spacing between your gate and post, a minimum of 2.5 inches and a maximum of up to 5.5 inches, which it accommodates gates with a big spacing quite easily. A good way to know how high to make your gate latch is to set it in here with the fork in line with the top rail. Put you a pencil mark. Take a square and make the line square. Takes a drill with a 7/32 bit to drill 4 pilot holes. Center the latch onto the post and make sure it's in alignment with the post. Drill 4 pilot holes. Each of your best latches come with leg bolts with a 1/2 inch drive bit. So with a socket wrench and your 1/2 inch drive, bolt your latch to the post. If you have a socket drive for your drill, it's much easier and faster than a ratchet. And just snug up your bolts until they're tight. And that's how easy it is to mount your best latch.